to try our first 0 to 60. I'm not going to bother heating up the tires. They should be warm from driving up here. I got them aired down. First one wasn't all that great, 4.56, but she didn't spin. Okay, so we'll try the second one. She's a little on the warm side. Last year. Mind you, it is quite warm out, but we'll try one more. Maybe get her cooled down a little bit. Try one more back this way. Turn the fan off. Something I never thought of. I had the traction control on. I don't know if that hurt anything or not, but we'll give her one more go here. Try cooling it down first. There's a car coming anyway, so that was only a 4.63. Now I left the traction control on by accident, which I always do. I don't think that played any role in it, but you never know. I got it shut off now. We'll do one more. I'd like to get it cooled down a little bit. Yeah, these times, the best time I got last year was 4.3. Now that was in cooler conditions, and I think where we normally run a quarter mile, I think it's a little better, a little lower altitude too, but I'm not sure. And plus it's really hot today. Okay, we'll turn it around here. It's not perfectly flat here either, that don't help, but this is fairly flat right here. Okay. So we'll reset. Temperature's down, so we'll turn the fan off. Faster. Got just a little bit of wheel spin too. Maybe we'll do one more because it did run faster. That was a 446. Like I say, last year the best was a 4.3. Just get her cooled down some. The shifting problem's taken care of, although I think it's shifting a little soon, but we'll figure that out with the data logs. Anyway, I'm going to give her one more. One last run. So we'll reset this, turn the fans off, drive. we're gonna call that a day. I'm not real happy with the times, but it is hot, and I think the car is shifting early, and I'm not able to get the temperature down as low as I would like. And these cars here, the temperature really does make a difference. Okay guys, so what we're seeing is, you look at this, the car shifting at 6,000, and to make these gears really effective, I need to have it shifting about 6,200. Actually, higher would be better, but I need a fuel pump upgrade and some bigger injectors. But you'll see it shifts at 6,000. But at least we weren't hitting the rev limiter. But this here would have slowed us down some. And then if you look, the incoming air temperature was 100 degrees Fahrenheit. So it was really hot out. Normally we don't run in the heat. We like to run when it's cooler out. But anyway, on that run, now we'll check one more here. Okay, so this one went a little higher. It went to 6,140. Still, like I say, for the gears to be more effective, it really needs to be running up to 6,400. But I got to do a few upgrades next winter in order to be able to do that. But we got the shifting problem looked after, so I'm happy about that. And again, look at the incoming air temperature is 102, so I like to see this down lower, like in the 70s or lower. And anyway, that's the best we can do for today. And even the water temperature, I like to see that down like around 190. Temperature really affects these cars. Okay, so the results of the 0 to 60 testing were a little disappointing, but not unexpected. We got the shifting issue taken care of, but now I've got to, over time, I'll get it so it'll shift consistently around 6,200. Ideally, to get the most out of these gears, I would like to take it to 6,400. But when it's cool out, the injector duty cycle gets pretty high, so I'm probably going to have to settle for 6,200. Today was pretty warm. Normally we do our testing when it's cooler out, because we only get about a month and a half where it's really hot. I mean, we get more days than that, but usually in the mornings it's fairly cool, and that should be coming real soon. So we'll get some quarter-mile testing once I do a little more messing around with the shifting on this car, and we'll start having cooler mornings. So we'll get out one of these mornings. That's the only way to do an accurate test, to see what the gears, what kind of gains we get from the gears. I'm actually not expecting a lot. But anyway guys, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.